my name is Shu Faye and I am a content creator slash streamer, and I also build my own custom mechanical keyboards. So today, we're gonna be looking at my go-to keyboard as of now. So let's go. So this is my TM680 keyboard. This is a 65% layout keyboard. It has ACO CS Ocean Blue switches, tactiles, and I looped them with Crytox 205G0. If you guys don't know what lubing means, this is a part of a mod that is very essential in the custom keyboard scene. Every key that you have on your keyboard, they have a switch like this. So you have to disassemble the switch, take the lube the switch, and then put them all back together, and then you use it on your keyboard. So imagine if your keyboard has like 80 keys. You have to loop 80 of this. Yes, it's tedious. So this 65% layout comes with arrow keys and also a volume knob, which is really convenient if you want to toggle between volumes. I like tactile switches. Tactile switches means that when you type on it, there's a bump, so it feels like you're registering the keys as you're typing. Some people prefer linears that have no bump, so when you type on it, it feels really smooth. It just goes all the way down. So how did I mod this? I modded the stabilizers. So the stabilizers are basically the longer keys on your keyboard, like the spacebar, the shift, the backspace, the enter. They have like these stabs at the side, and this is how it sounds like. I did put some foam into my keyboard, and also I tape modded it. So under the PCB there's a few layers of tape, so it helps to give the keyboard a more poppy sound, which I prefer. Okay, so this keyboard is the one that I'm going to be building next for myself. And this is expensive, guys. This is the GMMK Pro. It cost me like 739 ringgit just for the bare bone. So if you guys don't know what the bare bone is, it means that it doesn't come with switches and it doesn't come with keycaps. You have to get them separately. So the cost of this keyboard is going to be much more expensive than the previous one that I've built, because this is also aluminium. So I guess that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to know more, you can check out my interview on Buro247.my. See you guys.